Moving the light sources can provide strong additional cues for shape perception. However, the simultaneous control of the camera and light is an extremely tedious task. To address this challenge, we introduce Fireflies, illumination drones for interactive visualization. Fireflies are animated lights that illuminate the scene traveling on a closed path. The Firefly path is optimized based on an energy function that can be selected from a catalog. When a camera is moved, the Firefly is transformed accordingly. Our system automatically optimizes the Firefly path to the changed conditions in the scene. And to achieve on-the-fly path optimization, we sample and evaluate the test paths in a parallel pipeline. We propose several energy functions tailored for different interaction scenarios. Such as the emphasis of surface ridges and valleys, or uniform illumination of the object. To use our tool, the user only needs to select the energy function from a catalog and press Optimize. The user can also change the optimization presets, such as the number of control and sample points or the sampling offset. Finally, the user can change the number of lights and the appearance of the Firefly tail. We also allow the user to specify an area of interest in the rendered image. Here, the user selects the upper left part of the molecule. The Firefly path adapts to optimize the energy function for this region only. Firefly can be integrated into existing lighting setups. We integrate Firefly into 1, 2, and 3-point lighting setups. Using such a setup, we translate the photography-guided lighting setup by Wambach et al. To a Firefly setup. On the left, we show the static setup by Wambach et al., and on the right, we show the animated Firefly light. The Firefly illuminates the scene similarly to the static light. Additionally, the animated light is able to emphasize additional surface variation. Cinematography uses lights to express certain moods of the scene. We use the Firefly to convey 3 different moods in the same scene. This setup creates a threatening appearance of the character. On the left side, the energy function was defined to create a calm appearance, while the energy in the right video creates a dramatic effect. Firefly was implemented in Unity as a plug-and-play camera component. Thank you for watching.